I've got a 1-week Morocco plan. It hits the icons, it keeps the pace fun, and it skips the time wasters. Day 1. Land in Marrakech. Drop bags and dive into Jama El Fna at golden hour. Fresh orange juice, snail soup if you're brave. That smoky tagine aroma everywhere. Sunset on a rooftop near the square. I bargain hard in the souks, start at half, smile. Walk away if it's not a deal, then sleep early. Day 2. Marrakech Power Morning. Bahia Palace, Sadian Tombs. Quick stop at Koutoubia. Midday cool down at Jardin Majorelle. Yves Saint Laurent Museum, buy time tickets. Evening hammam, choose a reputable one. Dinner of lamb tangia. Day 3, Atlas Mountains Day. I leave by 8 a.m. to Imlil. Easy 1-2 hour hike with views. Mint tea in a Berber village, then a tagine with a view that makes you want to move here. Back to Marrakech by dusk, or sleep in Imlil if you want mountain stars. Day 4, the Sahara Run. Marrakech to Mersouga. Long drive, think 9-10 hours with epic stops. Titsi and Tichka Pass. Ait Ben Hadou, hello, movie sets. Tadra Gorge. I arrive before sunset, hop on a camel, or hop in a 4x4. Camp in the dunes, drums by the fire, a sky full of galaxies. Day 5, sunrise on the sand, then breakfast. Long haul to Fez, about 7 to 8 hours. Cedar forests, Barbary macaques if you're lucky. I roll into Fez for a late dinner, pastilla, and mint tea, then bed. Day 6, Fez Medina deep dive. This place is a maze and I love it. I hire a licensed guide. Tanneries, bring a sprig of mint. Al Karawiyin, artisan quarters, afternoon ceramic workshop. Then sunset at a viewpoint over the city. Day 7, Blue City or Coast. If you want dreamy photos, leave early for Chef Chuen. 3.5 hours each way. Wander alleys, cheesecake at a cafe. Then head to Tangier or back toward Casablanca depending on your flight. If flying out of Casablanca, swap Chef Chuen for Rabat's Udaya Kasbah. Seaside lunch. Finish at the Hassan II Mosque. Book a tour. Food I never skip, chicken pastilla, harira, zalouk, sardines and essaouira if I detour, and every mint tea offered. Trains are solid between big cities. For the desert, I pre-book a reputable driver or group tour. Cash is king in souks. ATMs are common. Friday afternoons run slower. Plan accordingly. Packing, layers for desert temps, a light scarf, power bank, comfy shoes. Learn salam and shukran. It goes a long way. 7 days, non-stop memories. If you've got extra time, add essaouira for ocean vibes. If not, this route still delivers the magic. Let's go.